Ever wondered why that nagging backache just doesn't go away? Or why that stiffness in your neck persists despite everything you do? Many of us grapple with these common pain problems, feeling frustrated as they disrupt our daily activities. But there's a little-known aspect of our bodies that could be the key to understanding and managing these issues: the fascia. It's a complex network of connective tissue that plays a crucial role in our well-being. What if we told you that the answer to these persistent aches and pains could lie in something called fascia? Fascia, a band or sheet of connective tissue, plays a crucial role in supporting and protecting our muscles and organs. This biological fabric, composed primarily of collagen, envelops, interpenetrates, and binds together muscles, bones, nerves, blood vessels, and organs, creating a structural continuity throughout our body. When our fascia is healthy, it's flexible, it glides smoothly and allows for seamless movement. However, factors like injury, stress, or poor posture can cause the fascia to tighten or develop adhesions, much like knots in a rope. This can lead to a multitude of problems, from reduced mobility and chronic pain to impaired circulatory and neural function. Enter fascia treatment. These therapies, ranging from manual techniques like myofascial release to tools like foam rollers and fascia blasters, aim to alleviate these issues. They work by breaking up adhesions, increasing blood flow, and restoring the fascia's natural elasticity. Research supports these treatments too. Studies indicate that regular fascia therapy can significantly reduce pain and improve quality of life. It's been particularly effective for conditions like fibromyalgia, myofascial pain syndrome, and various sports injuries. But remember, like any treatment, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. What works best often depends on the individual's specific issues and overall health. Therefore, always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment regimen. Understanding fascia and how to treat it can be a game changer in managing and even eradicating common pain issues. So, let's distill what we've learned today about fascia and how its treatment can help manage pain. Fascia, the biological fabric that holds us together, plays a crucial role in our overall health. When not properly cared for, this connective tissue can cause common problems such as muscle stiffness, joint pain, and even chronic pain conditions. Effective fascia treatment, however, can help manage and even alleviate these issues. Techniques such as fascial release, hydration, and proper nutrition can all contribute to the health of our fascia. But it's not just about knowing these techniques. It's about applying them correctly and consistently. This is where professional guidance comes in. A trained professional can help you understand your body better, guide you in the right techniques, and help you establish a routine that works best for you. Remember, understanding your body is the first step to a pain-free life. And fascia, as we've learned, plays a more significant role than we ever imagined.